Hello, greetings to you, my fellow YouTubers, my watchers, and all the crypto enthusiasts. I greet you all. The purpose of this channel is to educate you on the meme coin, airdrops that is going on. So please try to subscribe, hit the subscription button, and also give us a thumb up if you like the videos that will be updating. Thank you. Today I'm going to show you how you can claim your today's hamster daily combo. This hamster daily combo is something that is like a game. You have to search for it, and then you do the task, and you earn your 5 million hamster coin. As you can see, I have claimed today on. Let me go to my mine. Here is mine. As you can see, the 5 million is marked. So today I'm going to take you through some steps that you also will follow and get it rightly done. So number one thing we're going to do here I'm in my dashboard. Here is the Hamster Kombat app in the Telegram. So what you need to do is this: go to go to mine. Had it been that I've not claimed this, you'd have been seeing question mark for these three places. You'll be seeing question mark. Are you seeing it? You'll be seeing question marks. But now I've already done the task and I've claimed my 5 million naira for today. So now for you to do that, number one place you have to go, as you can see here, we have license Japan, we have CEO, we have top 10 global ranking. So for you to get it, you have to come to this PR and team. So when you get there, you scroll down, scroll down. Okay, sorry, I'm looking for it. One of those that I claimed today. I'm looking for it. Be patient with me, please. Okay, here is it. This one is CEO. So I have claimed this today. This is under PR and team. So you claim your CEO. All you need to do to claim it is for you to just upgrade it. You can see I'm in level 1 here. So just upgrade it and touch it like this, and just go ahead and claim. I've already claimed, so you just go ahead and claim it. You can see I have claimed it already today. It's only upgraded to level 2, but I have claimed mine. So after which you come to legal. When you come to legal, scroll down. This is the last one here. It's called license Japan. So this license Japan, you have to invite one friend. Make sure you invite one friend, and that one friend that you are inviting, it must be today or before it expires tomorrow. Try to invite only one person. Once the person registers, this place will be open. It was locked previously, but now open because I have invited one person. So then you claim, you touch it and claim. It will take 50,000. Mine is taking 55 now because I've already claimed. So if I touch it now, I'm going to upgrade to level 2, which I don't want to do. So just claim it. The second daily combo will be open for you. Then the last one here, you go to specials. So when you come to specials, you scroll, or you go to new cards. Here is my cards. You come to new cards. So when you come to new cards, you scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down where there is top 10, top 10, uh, we have top 10, sorry, we have top 10 ranking, something like that. Top 10 ranking. You look for top 10 ranking. Is it not under special? Okay, sorry. Let's go back to legal. No. I think that should be under R and T. R, PR and team. Okay, go under PR and team. Search for it. Search for top 10 ranking. Top 10 ranking. Top 10 ranking. Top 10 ranking. I think the reason why I'm not able to see it is because maybe because I have claimed it today. So, but you find it in one of. I'm sorry for not being observant for this. I was not observant too. I was not observant, so I missed it. But just find where. Look at mine here. You see top 10. So look for it either under special. Yes, look at it. It's under specials. So you click it and it will take 10,000 coin from you. Then after which it will show you that you have completed the today's combo task and you click to redeem your coin. So this will be the end of this video for this night. Have a wonderful night's rest. I'll update you for the next daily combo tomorrow. Have a wonderful night's rest. Okay, wait. Let me come back. That is why. Let me check here. It will not be here. I don't believe it will be here. And maybe it will be in the video. It's supposed to be here. It's supposed to be here.